start about the concept of parole and furlough, because always it happens कि ये दोनों words को हम similarly assume कर लेते हैं कि जो parole है वही furlough है. Now I'm going to tell you the difference between these two. When we talk about parole, this parole is actually the suspension of the punishment for some causes. Means if the person is imprisoned in jail, then because of some reasons might be possible, some very close relative of that person who is imprisoned is died, or there is a very close relative who is going to marry. For these kind of reasons which are genuine and reasonable in nature, उन reasons के लिए उस prisoner को for some short period of time को छुट्टी दिया जाता है, लीव दिया जाता है. That is called parole. So parole is actually some temporary release of the prisoner due to some reasons which are to connect this prisoners to his family members. That is actually parole. Now coming to this furlough concept. This furlough concept is also a concept in which the person who is imprisoned is given the release. But how? There is a little bit difference. If the person is imprisoned in a jail for a longer imprisonment, there is a long imprisonment like life imprisonment, imprisonment for more than 10 years, due to conduct, due to his antecedent, if his conduct is favorable, if his conduct and antecedent is good, then he was given some reduction of this kind of punishment, which can be taken as remission. Why this person is given the remission in the punishment? Because we know that as a person, the person wants to have the social connection with the society. The person cannot be lived, he cannot be left in the isolation. So that is what, to make the connection between the person to his family members, to societal norms, the person is given the release. So that is called furlough. So both parole and furlough, both are taken from this one law, that is Prison Act of 1894. दोनों को ही एक ही लॉ गवर्न करता है, वो प्रिजन एक्ट ऑफ 1894 है. दोनों में इम्प्रिजन पर्सन को हम रिलीज करते हैं, सोसाइटी पर में हम उसको इन्वॉल्व कराते हैं. पर डिफरेंस क्या होता है? पर फर्लो में हम उसको डिडक्शन करते हैं उसकी पनिशमेंट में, क्योंकि लॉन्ग इम्प्रिजनमेंट में रह रहा है, only because of antecedent, characters, conduct during his imprisonment. But when we talk about parole, parole is given for some certain reasons, like the reasons which I have told you, wedding in the family, death of a close relative. These can be the reasonable causes in which this person who is imprisoned is given some remission, some relief for some days. So this is the basic difference between parole and furlough. Thanks for watching this video.